Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Coolant Burp Kit is probably one of the most underappreciated tools for car maintenance, ensuring your vehicle's cooling system runs smoothly and efficiently by helping to remove pesky air pockets that can lead to overheating and damage. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know about coolant burp kits, from how they work to which one is the best fit for your needs, so you can keep your car running cool and problem-free. Number 5. OEMTOOLS 87009 Funnel Kit. Say goodbye to messy coolant spills. This innovative kit makes filling your vehicle's cooling system quick and easy. It prevents spills and trapped air, saving you time and frustration. This is the best way to fill your radiator. With its superior design and high-quality adapters, it's the best coolant funnel kit on the market. You'll get the job done efficiently and cleanly. The 5 included adapters fit most vehicles, eliminating the need for multiple tools. It's the best value for your money. It comes with extensions to reach even the most difficult to access surge tanks. No more struggling to reach those hard spots. Its unique design incorporates a fluid stopper with a vent, preventing excessive pressure buildup in your cooling system. It's designed for safety and efficiency. This kit is compatible with a wide range of domestic and import cars and light trucks. It's the perfect addition to any mechanic's toolbox. What we like. It's the best made and most innovative kit on the market, preventing spills and trapped air while filling automotive cooling systems. Its universal design fits most vehicles, saving you time and money. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable solution to coolant refills, this is the one for you. What people say. It is simple, and it works every time to purge the cooling system of air. The adapter sealed well, and I don't feel the cap is filmy like some others suggested. Made replacing and burping the coolant a hassle-free experience. The design is smart, and there are various funnel sizes included in the kit for compatibility with different vehicles. Number 4. OEMTOOLS 24444 Coolant Refiller. Say goodbye to trapped air. This kit makes refilling your cooling system quick and easy, reducing the risk of overheating. It's more than just a refill kit. It also performs efficient vacuum leak tests, helping you find hidden problems before they become major issues. This versatile tool fits most radiator and coolant bottlenecks, eliminating the need for extra adapters. With 5 additional bushings and a tapered cone adapter, it works with a wide range of cooling systems. All the components are neatly stored in a sturdy case, making it convenient for both professionals and DIYers. What we like. This kit quickly and easily refills your cooling system while eliminating air pockets and testing for leaks. The universal adapter fits most vehicles, making it a versatile choice. If you need a tool that combines filling and leak testing, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. This unit comes with a handful of adapters and plugs, so it would seem to fit a wide range of systems. This product fit the bill perfectly for the job and made the process faster, cleaner, and helped complete the job properly. Well made, easy to use and clean. Will certainly last for many coolant changes. It worked just as advertised, and was so much more convenient. This might appear to be a cheapo Harbor Freight type kit, but it is not. It is actually built very solidly and seems like it would be right at home in a mechanic's shop seeing daily use. I was able to find one of the included adapters that fit perfectly in the coolant reservoir tank of my 2005 Mazda B2300, and I had no problem getting an airtight seal and pulling a vacuum just using a little pancake air compressor. Then the coolant sucked up perfectly and filled the system right where it needed to be. Not a drop spilled, and not a bubble to worry about. It pulled 20 inches of vacuum even with a small compressor. For those of you saying it does not pull any vacuum, make sure you plug any overflow hoses from the tank. On some cars, this is just vented to atmosphere. It collapsed all hoses and sucked in the same amount I drained out. There was no air in the system at all. Number 3. SWANLAKE No Spill Funnel Kit. Tired of spills and messes when changing your coolant? This kit makes the process clean and easy, saving you time and frustration. It's the ultimate solution for precise and spill-free fluid transfers in your vehicle. No more drips or wasted coolant. It features a unique rotary switch to precisely control the flow, preventing overflows and air bubbles. This ensures a perfect fill every time. Its extendable design reaches even the most difficult spots in your engine bay. The multiple adapters ensure a perfect fit for various vehicles. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: adapters, filler caps, extenders, and a durable funnel. It's perfect for coolant flushes and other fluid changes. The reinforced threads and high-quality materials guarantee leak-proof performance. It's built to last and make every fluid change a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this kit simplifies the process and delivers professional results. Get yours today. What we like. This spill-proof funnel kit features a unique rotary switch for precise control and a long extension for hard-to-reach areas. It prevents spills and trapped air during refills. If you value precision and ease of use, this is the kit for you. What people say. It has plenty of adapters to work with many vehicles, and it indeed locks into place with no leaks. You can easily squeeze the hoses and run the engine and see the air bubbles come out. It has a valve that you can close so you can remove it without making a mess too. Also, it comes with a big cap that seals the funnel and doubles as a storage container for all your adapters, as well as keeping the funnel clean for the next time you need to use it. I liked the ability to shut the flow and remove without spilling contents everywhere. Came with multiple pieces for assembly to many makes and models. These funnels make filling and bleeding the radiator a breeze. No problem getting a tight fit on my 2004 Toyota Highlander with the 3.3L. They are holding up nicely. Number 2. ABN Coolant Funnel Kit. This kit makes changing your radiator coolant a breeze. It prevents spills and ensures a smooth process, saving you time and frustration. It's designed to help you refill fluids, flush systems, and remove trapped air pockets. Say goodbye to squeaky belts and cooling system errors. This versatile kit fits most vehicles filled through the radiator. The included extensions provide access to hard-to-reach areas. Made from durable, hard plastic, it's built to withstand repeated use. The funnel has a large capacity and securely fits the included adapters. Simply insert the appropriate adapter and cap, add coolant, and let the trapped air escape. It's that simple. The kit includes everything you need: a funnel, multiple caps and adapters, and extra tubing. It's ready to use right out of the box. What we like. This kit allows for hands-free filling, reaching even hard-to-access areas. It's designed to fit any vehicle filled through the radiator, and its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. If you prioritize ease of use and durability, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It worked like a charm on a 2002 BMW 325i E46 model, unlike a super flimsy previous kit from EPAuto that I had to return. I also got to use the angled fittings because an engine support bar was in the way due to some work I was doing on the car, and there was no leak from any part, only a minor discharge from the overfilled coolant reservoir as I was removing the funnel. The kit looks very similar to the product that Bavarian Auto used to carry, and it may indeed be the same. I also very much like the fact that all the metal caps with the two protruding ears are fitted with a round plastic top, which makes the caps much easier to handle, press down, turn, etc. Where have you been all my life? Utilized on 2013 Toyota Venza 3.5L. Beautiful. The 3.5L has a bleed valve on top of engine to supplement air removal from coolant system. I ran a tube from the bleed valve to the funnel cap assembly. Refilled coolant system as per normal, until all air was removed via tubing from bleed valve. Perfect. Simple. Clean. Once completed, place plug into bottom of funnel, remove funnel cap assembly and drain coolant remaining in funnel back into coolant storage jug. I had the opportunity to use a radiator funnel while changing out the water pump and radiator in my car, and I must say, it made the job a lot easier. This funnel was specifically designed to help remove air pockets from the cooling system, which is an important step in preventing overheating and maintaining the engine's health. The funnel was easy to use and fits snugly over the radiator neck. Number 1. EPAuto Coolant Funnel Kit. Tired of spills and leaks when refilling your radiator? This kit makes coolant changes quick and clean. It's the simple solution for a common car maintenance problem. It features color-matched caps for easy identification of the correct adapter. No more guessing, just a precise fit for your vehicle. It's designed to eliminate trapped air pockets. These pockets can cause erratic cooling and heater performance, leading to costly repairs. This kit prevents that. With its 5-inch extension bar and 45-degree elbow, it easily reaches coolant caps hidden under shrouds or at awkward angles. No more contortions. This innovative design is protected by USPTO Patent No. US 105190019B2, ensuring superior quality and performance. You're getting a premium product. This kit simplifies the process, saving you time and frustration. Get it today and experience the difference. What we like. This kit prevents spills and trapped air, and features color-coded caps for easy adapter identification. The extension bar and elbow provide access to hard-to-reach areas. If you appreciate convenience and a well-organized system, this is the one for you. What people say. Big capacity and easy to use. It comes with multiple size caps for all kinds of radiators. The non-spill design works great for engine running and system burping. Makes it easy to pour coolant into your system. It's designed to fit into the radiator opening, but if your car's coolant system has a radiator-style cap on the overflow tank, you can use it on there. A quality set. Lots of adapters, easy to use. Hold a lot of fluid and doesn't spill while burping. Works with my Prius, Tundra, and RAV4. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.